Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm making over this shelf sitter I got from Dollar Tree. I started by removing the twine and staples from the top and then heated up the words on there and peeled those off. Sanded down the front and it was a little bit too rough to just paint over it. So I sprayed it with some water, added a paper towel, added a little more water and let that sit for about 10 minutes and then used my plastic scraper to scrape that paper off. And then painted the entire thing with Terra Cotta acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I gave that full coverage. Next, I'm using this 3-inch stencil. It says Hello Pumpkin on it. I got that and this pixie spray from Amazon. Sprayed the back of that with the pixie spray. It gives it a light tack to keep it into place. Added that to the bottom right of the shelf sitter. Taped around the sides so I don't get any paint on the orange. And then stenciled on ivory colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I have very minimal paint on the brush, almost nothing really, so you have to do a couple coats. Once I had that all filled in, I removed that, made sure it was completely dry, and then filled in the gaps left by the stencil just with a small brush. And then I'm taking some twine and I'm wrapping that around the top area a few times, tie it in a couple knots and leave the tails a little bit long. Next, I'm taking a few mini pine cones, those I got from Amazon, and I'm hot gluing those right around that knot. And then the last thing I do is take this little leaf I got from Hobby Lobby and hot glue that and tuck it underneath those pine cones. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.